How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Bambu Lab A1 not turning on. Basically, the most common issue on why this is happening, it's because of your SD card as shown on this result right here. This specific user took out the SD card and from there it worked. Basically, the problem was on the SD card itself. So if you have a broken SD card, the machine will not turn on. After making sure that your SD card works, you then want to apply the following techniques. The first one is checking the power cord and outlet. Ensure that the cord is firmly seated in the socket and not plugged into a failing power strip. The power switch. You want to toggle the power switch off and on multiple times. And once again, the SD card is really important. You want to turn off the printer, remove the SD card, and try turning it back on. A corrupted SD card can prevent from booting. Now, some advanced inspection if you're willing to do this. First, you want to check the indicators. If the green LED at the base is off, the issue is likely power supply related. Next, you want to inspect internal cables. You want to open the bottom cover to check if any internal cables are loose. And lastly, you want to check your fuse. Inspect the power supply fuse to see if the wire is broken. And lastly, for some component replacement, we have to replace the power supply unit. If the printer remains dead, you may need to replace the PSU, the heat bed cable. In some cases, a faulty heat bed cable causes power issues. And from there, hopefully by applying the steps, you have fixed your Bambu Lab A1. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.